In this video, I'll show you how to iron your finished cross-stitch project. Hey there, Sarah here with the Notorious needle, empowering you to break the rules and stitch what you want. So you finished a cross-stitch project and you've washed it, right? If you haven't, check out the video I'll put down below that shows you how to do that. After washing it, you may discover that your cross-stitch project is a little bit too wrinkly to frame. I've got this one here. My mother test stitched this project for me. It is part of the new EFFIN Flowers collection, and if you'd like the pattern, I will also put that down below. It's a little bit wrinkly. So what you need to iron your project is, of course, an ironing board, your finished project, 2 clean towels, and an iron. You want to set your iron to a linen or a cotton setting. I like to have mine on a steam setting. The steam gets through and really gets the wrinkles out of the fabric. Next thing you want to do is place a towel on your ironing board. You can also use a pillowcase or a sheet. Then place your project on top of the towel and place the second towel or sheet or pillowcase or whatever you're using on top of your project. Now with the steam setting, again cotton or linen, you're going to iron your project like you normally would. Keep in mind, if you're using steadfast products like from DMC or Anchor or any of the other manufacturers, this will work perfectly fine. If you're using customized products like hand-dyed fabric or embroidery floss, you'll probably want to check with the manufacturer to make sure that the colors won't run on a steam setting. If you're unsure, just turn down the heat on the iron. It might take a little bit longer, but it'll better preserve your project. Alright, so that looks a little bit better. If you're still not satisfied with how this looks, go ahead and flip your project over and you can iron from the back just like you normally would. Now the reason we use a piece of cloth underneath when you're ironing from the back or on top when you're ironing from the front is to prevent the iron from squishing your stitches. I don't think it takes away from the project at all if the floss gets a little bit squished. Sometimes it happens during framing too. It's a personal preference, but most people prefer it. So I wanted to make sure I showed you how to do that without squishing the stitches. Let it cool off nice and flat, and this project is ready to be framed or placed in a hoop. If you like this video, be sure to watch another. I have an entire series about cross stitch for beginners, and the series is in order that you need to learn it when you're just starting out. Stitch on!